Hi, good day to all of you. I'm Gabriel Laurenz. I'm a grade 6 pupil from Our Lady of Pilar Montessori Center. My topic is about volcanic eruption. The Philippines is located along a typhoon belt and the so-called Ring of Fire. Philippines is in the Pacific Ocean region where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. The Philippines is prone from volcanic eruption because the Philippines sits on a unique tectonic setting idea to volcanism and earthquake activity. It is situated at the boundaries of two tectonic plates, the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate, and both of which subduct or dive beneath the archipelago along the deep trenches along its east and west seaboard. Precautionary measures on volcanic eruptions. At present, scientists, especially volcanologists, can predict the eruption of a volcano. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PHIVOLCS, is a government agency that forecasts volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. This institute collects and monitors any unusual activity in the crust and mantle. It gives warnings to people living in the surrounding areas of a volcano that shows signs of an eruption. It determines volcanic danger zones. These zones are places that are directly affected by the materials released from an erupting volcano. Predictions may not be accurate, so we may as well follow some precautions for our safety. Here are some precautionary measures to observe before an eruption. Number 1. Listen to the radio for any order and instructions about preparedness. Number 2. Store enough food, water, and other family needs. Number 3. Be ready to evacuate to safer areas anytime. Evacuation should be done calmly and orderly. Number 4. Follow warnings and instructions given by concerned authorities during an eruption. Number 1. Stay in a safe place. If you are in an evacuation center, stop roaming around. Number 2. Cover your nose with a handkerchief or a damp cloth to protect yourself from volcanic ash. Number 3. Protect your eyes after an eruption. Number 1. Wait for instructions to return home. Number 2. Repair the house damaged by the ash falls. Number 3. Clean up the area. Number 4. Make sure that food and drinking water are safe. Number 5. Check the electrical wires. How to clean and repair damaged roof after volcanic eruption. Rooftops are dangerous places after ash falls. They may be slippery when covered in ash or at the risk of collapse if at the limit of their load capacity. Use personal protective measures when removing ash from roofs. Use a strong ladder, safety harness, filter face mask, gloves, and eye goggles for safety and prevention of unnecessary damage to roof material and surfaces during cleanup. Use planking, mats, plywood, sheets, and pliable footwear to prevent slippage and damage from impact and abrasion. When using shovels, rakes, or other tools, be careful of underlying roof surface. Be careful when using water. The full force of water from fire hoses can easily break lap, shingles, or tear lap roofing material. And if the roof is damaged because of the volcanic eruption, Step 1. Damage inspection. If you have recently gone through a major weather disturbance or unusual incidents like volcanic eruption that could have damaged your roof and you have failed to maintain your roof for an extended period, then you need to schedule a damage inspection as soon as possible. Step 2. Damaged roof removal. If damage to a roof is severe enough, there's a good chance that you will need to remove the damaged materials first before installing new ones. To ensure effective repairs, if the damage is extensive, then the amount of old roofing materials to be removed could be also significant. Step 3. New material installation. Once all the old and damaged portions of your roof has been removed, then proceed to install new roofing. Step 4. Final inspection. Once the roof is done, you need to perform a final inspection to ensure everything